Welcome back to the vlog. We're sitting in the E92 letting it warm up. It is December 27th and it's -7 degrees Celsius. You're watching HQ BMW. My name is Jeff. So a couple things. When I bought the E92, the dealership said that the front brakes had just been replaced, and now I'm getting a service light saying that the front brakes need to be done. There's only 800 kilometers left remaining. I don't know how that can be possible. I've only driven the car 5,000 kilometers since I got it. It seems a bit excessive, so we're gonna pull her around back in the garage. And I'm just gonna check, maybe there's some dirt or debris in the wear sensor, or it got stuck and it's worn. I don't know. We're gonna take a look. We'll take the front left wheel off where the brake sensor is and we'll check it out. And then the second thing is, when I've been driving for a little bit, the oil temperature hasn't been getting fully up to temp, but my fans are kicking on like full blast. So I think that's the warning sign of the water pump is going to fail. I did do the thermostat this summer, and after reading a bunch of reviews, I should have done the water pump at the same time. But when I bought the car, the dealership never said that any of that stuff was due. But hindsight's 2020, so I'm going to just use the Carly adapter, which you guys remember from a previous vlog. We're just gonna check the sensor, and then we'll scan the code, see if there's any error codes or anything coming up, and then we'll also try to do a reset on the brakes, and then we'll take it for a drive and see if that fixes everything. So let's get at it. So I've pulled the wheel off, and this pad looks like there's about 50% of the material left. And then on the inside there you can see the brake sensor and the pad. So I don't believe that these brake pads were done before I bought the car. There would obviously be a lot more material than that, so I think I got a little bit of time still, so I will get online, get them ordered, and we'll get the brakes changed. I'm gonna do the rotors and the brake pads all at the same time. Just I do feel that there's a bit of a shimmy when I touch the brake pedal, so we'll get that changed, we'll get that ordered, but now we're gonna get on to checking for codes. I got the Carly plugged in, I got it connected to my phone, chose the E92 Coupe model year, ran the diagnostics, and I got a couple faults. It looks like the water pump actually shut down. It shut down at 121,160 kilometers. So I'm going to keep the Carly plugged in, and I'm going to actually monitor it while we're driving. I think the car is probably going to need a water pump, but it is what it is. That's part of owning a car. It is my beater. I'm going to get those parts ordered up, the brakes, the water pump, and we'll make that into a video on how to change that stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you got to see a little bit of how to diagnose and look at some of the things and the benefits of the Carly. I'm glad I have that thing so I can check all the faults and everything else. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.